to talk. Allow Sowore 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 to talk. No. Allow Sowore to talk.
Just calm down.
Allow Sowore to talk.
See, wait.
Allow Sowore to talk.
Just calm down. Let him take his interview within 5 minutes.
When I don't do the one, you see here, it will not happen. It will not happen. I say it will not happen. It will not happen. It will not happen.
Ask your question.
There's nothing you can do. So, ladies and gentlemen, you don't need this. You don't need this. You don't need this. You don't need this. No, you don't need this. You don't need this. You don't need this. Nobody can stop me from talking here today.
Wait.
Chief, he's been running away. Let him talk. He's the political right. Let him express himself. Let him talk. You are violating his right. Let me say, I'm not to protect him. I'm not to shut him up. Let him talk.
Okay, answer you.
I bet me they don't do mistake.
You have to let me speak. 5 minutes. Wait. It's not a business for me to abridge my rights.
That is it. There's no order.
Journalist.
Action questions.
Ladies and gentlemen, even under the military, even under the military, we speak. Under the military, we speak. No. So that your life.
You will not give him 1 minute to talk to him. Just give him 1 minute to consult to him. Now, I'm already talking to you.
Go ahead.
Michelle, come now. See where they talk to.
They are the ones who always come to court and say they want trial to commence day
by day.
But now they have given an adjournment of almost a week. The intention is to obtain conviction without trial and imprisonment. I am solidly very sure that this will fail like others have failed. And I want to ask all our supporters to stay very strong. The presidential campaign has just started. And the revolution has just begun. Revolution! Now, whether you like it or not.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice